You know why I like clothing? Because once you start understanding it, studying it, you understand cuts, patterns, fits, textures, colors, and how they work with your body, you can literally mold how you look. You can change how people perceive you depending on what you're wearing, and today we're gonna do just that. Today, I'm gonna show you some of the best fashion tricks you can implement into your own wardrobe using the clothing that you already have to be better looking. Number one, thick acetate frames. See, frames come in all shapes, sizes, and designs. But one thing that can completely set you apart, that can change how your face looks, is a thick pair of frames. See, when you have thick acetate, frames already are a balanced structure. A thick, balanced structure not only covers more real estate, but just makes your face look heavier, more dominant, more masculine, and more balanced. This is why frames will literally shape how you look and are perceived, and you buy the right ones, bro, you are going to mold completely how you look. Well, this Saturday, 2 days from now, boys, July 24th, 10 a.m. Eastern, we are finally dropping our new glasses, my guy. This is one of the 4 new designs that we are dropping. Go onto our site right now. Look, everything is sold out. It speaks for itself. There is a reason why everything is sold out. See, we use some of the best materials in the world. Italian handmade acetate, the same that you see in high-end designers. Polarized lenses, blue light blocking technology, stainless steel construction. Buy a pair of frames, they're only $49, and compare them to your Ray-Bans, to your Gucci. Compare them to any designer store. I guarantee you ours feel as good, if not better, because we use the same quality, same factories. The difference is I make these for you, my brothers. I don't overcharge you. And this July 24th, we're finally dropping our collection that was supposed to drop a month ago. There's a whole issue with shipping and delays. Bro, like I'm telling you, every sort of industry has backups right now. Like it doesn't matter, lumber, cars, technology, chip, everybody has shortages right now. So getting inventory in, it is the most difficult thing to do. And this is why for this July 24th, if you want quality pair of frames, especially for summer, you don't want to miss this. See, once they're sold out, I don't even know how long it's going to take for us to bring in new inventory. Go check out our site right now. It is completely sold out of some of the best sellers, and we can't restock them because we're having issues with stock. My guy, I want you to get your hands on a good quality pair of glasses, and I don't want you to miss it. So I want you to put a reminder on your phone. July 24th, this Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern, our new JADE Black collection is dropping. And I'm telling you, you want to pick up a pair. Maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe even 4. It's still cheaper than designer, but the truth is, once these go, it could be months till we bring in new supply because it's taking forever to get it in. On top of that, if you shop on this collection weekend, so just this Saturday or Friday if you're a pro member, if you shop, you get entered for a chance to win. Only 2 people. This is the first time we ever have done this giveaway. We're only doing it with you guys, where if you enter to win, 2 lucky people are going to get flown out here to New York, our New York office, all expenses paid, hotel, food, flight, and you're going to spend 1 day with us here in the office. You're going to see in operations, you're going to get a little bit of a tour, and you're going to spend a one-on-one with me. So if you have style questions, fitness questions, business questions, whatever, it's going to be a one-on-one just with me and you, the 2 winners. Boys, this giveaway, we have never done something like this. We've never been able to meet you guys in person, and 2 lucky guys that shop this weekend are going to get just that. Boys, 7/24, you're not going to want to miss it. Number 2, oversized tee and short combo. See, this is like I call it like opposite day. See, because most guys will wear the baggy shorts, the baggy and ones, and a fitted or a shrunken t-shirt, which looks hideous. You want to reverse that. You want to get that baggy oversized vintage tee, mix it with some short shorts, show off some of those thighs, and my guy, I'm telling you, you got a power-up fit. Only the most elite deploy this. See, because if you have imperfections up here, let's say you're a little bit chubby, the oversized tee is going to hide that. But downstairs, if you've been hitting the gym, and even if you've not, if you buy the right fit and you pair that with some high tube socks and some sneakers, you can even fool and have the illusion of having athletic legs just by using that high sock short combo. Number 3, oversized jeans, but not just any oversized jeans. See, they need to fit right in the hips. They need to fit right around the buttocks area because Yo, women look at your buns, like they do, and they don't want pancake buns, which is why it's equally as important to be hitting them squats as for the legs that you're showing in your short shorts. Now, what's not attractive is when your jeans are as tight as hers, is when your jeans could easily be confused for her jeans. See, if you keep wearing skinny jeans, not only are they 2011, my guy, it just looks bad having jeans that are so tight on you. Instead, buy some dad jeans, something a little bit more loose. It makes you look more comfortable. You feel more comfortable and therefore more relaxed, more confident, and it's in style right now, which is just gonna elevate how stylish you look. Number 4, a thick crew neck. See, this sits almost like a mock neck, but it's not a mock neck, where when you buy t-shirts, you want to make sure the neck of the t-shirt is nice and thick. I look at this all the time when I'm designing essentials tees. For example, the collection that's dropping soon, I don't want to give too much, but the t-shirt that we designed, I worked endlessly just on the collar itself for it to sit right. See, most t-shirts produce these thin collars that are floppy and flimsy. It makes your neck look longer and gives you more almost like feminine lines. Versus when you wear a thicker collar, again, it brings some weight to the top end of your frame. It works similar to that thick frame on your face. Makes you look more dominant, more masculine, and a thicker collar also works better against that baconing effect that nobody likes on t-shirts. Number 5, mix textures. You need to start piling on different types of fabrics. Cotton is not the only thing that exists. You got ribbed fabrics, you got knitted fabrics, you got corduroy, you got silk, you got velvet, you got suede. Once you start understanding all these different textures and applying them to your fits, you're gonna start elevating yourself drastically. See, when you start mixing different textures, you're gonna set yourself apart from the dude that doesn't understand that there's differences in fabrics and how they're knitted and how they're designed. And when you mix them appropriately, my guy, you're gonna set yourself so far apart from everybody else. No wonder you look so good. And finally, number 6, it's something I call chain stacking. I love necklaces. I'm wearing one right now. I wear necklaces almost every single day. I think I like necklaces almost equally as much as I love watches. I'm not gonna lie to you. Not only does it bring attention to your neck, it's just that one stylish piece that it's gonna elevate your fit. But if you wanna take it a step further, if you wanna just show your style know-how even more, show just how much you know about how to dress well, stack. See, most guys don't wear necklaces. Out of those guys that do wear necklaces, most guys don't even know how to stack properly. I have a whole video, you can watch it, on how to wear necklaces. I suggest you click on it and see a more in-depth explanation. But at the end of the day, when you stack necklaces, you want to do it in the same fashion that when you layer clothing. You want it to be different lengths, different proportions, and different weights. This allows all the layers of necklaces to be seen and not jumbled up, and it creates complexity. It draws more attention to the chest, which is sexy, and you, my guy, look more stylish. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 6 tricks you can do right now with your clothing to look better. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget, this Saturday, our new J Black collection is dropping. I don't want you to miss it.